The internet is lying to you. Make $5,000 a month while you sleep. Quit your 9 to 5 in 30 days. It sounds amazing. But for most people, it's a total scam. I got tired of the noise, so I decided to stop guessing. I spent the last 30 days testing the 5 most viral passive income trends on the internet. I didn't just read about them. I put my own time and my own money on the line to see what actually happens. The results: 3 of them were a complete waste of time, but 2 of them actually put money in my pocket. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'll show you exactly which trends are traps and the 2 proven strategies you can actually use to build wealth in 2026. Let's dive in. Let's be real. Your feed is probably flooded with these videos. Make $10K a month while you sleep. The secret side hustle no one tells you about. It sounds amazing. Who wouldn't want to wake up to a bank account that grew while they were dreaming? But here's the part they never show you. Most of these passive income streams aren't passive at all. They're just low-paying, high-stress jobs with fancy names. You spend 3 weekends setting up a store. You buy the masterclass. You follow the blueprint to the letter, and then nothing. $0. Or worse, you realize the only person actually making passive income from the system is the guru who sold it to you. It's exhausting. You're already grinding 40, 50, maybe 60 hours a week just to keep your head above water. You don't have the time or the energy to gamble your hard-earned savings on a viral trend that's designed to fail. The gap between your current paycheck and actual financial independence feels wider than ever because the internet is lying to you. You don't need more secrets or hacks. You need the cold, hard truth about what actually scales and what's just a digital trap. Here is the cold, hard truth. Most passive income is just a second job with a better marketing budget. We've been lied to. We're told we can make thousands while we sleep without doing any work. That's a fantasy. Real passive income requires one of 2 things: a lot of money up front or a lot of sweat equity up front. For the last 30 days, I put my own money and time on the line to see which trends actually pay. Let's start with the failures. First up, automated dropshipping. The gurus say it's set it and forget it. I set up a store in 2 hours. I picked a trending product. I spent $300 on meta ads. Result: 0 sales. The passive part is a lie. You aren't a business owner. You're a full-time customer service rep for cheap products shipping from overseas. Total waste of time. Next, the make money while you sleep apps. You've seen the ads. Get paid to watch videos. I spent 10 hours a week on these for a month. I made exactly $14. That is $1.40 an hour. This isn't passive income. It's a digital sweat shop. Trend 3, automated faceless channels. I used AI to write scripts, generate voices, and edit videos. The process was fast, but the content felt robotic. YouTube's algorithm is getting smarter. It hates low-effort AI spam. After 20 videos, my views flatlined. To actually make this work, you need a human touch. That means it's not passive. It's a content creation job. But then I found the winners. Winner number 1, dividend investing. This is the gold standard. I moved my idle cash into a high-yield savings account and a few dividend-paying ETFs through Vanguard. I didn't have to hustle. I didn't have to optimize. I just let the money sit. It's slow. It takes capital, but it is the only truly passive method on this list. Money making money. Winner number 2, digital products. I spent 1 weekend creating a simple budget tracker template. I listed it on Etsy for $12. I did the work once. Since then, it has sold 42 times. I haven't touched the file since day 1. The work is heavily front-loaded, but the scalability is infinite. Once the asset exists, the income is truly passive. So the final verdict. 3 of these trends were total time wasters. Complete scams, but 2. They actually put money in my pocket, the most consistent winner. High-yield savings and dividend investing. Look, if your money is sitting in a traditional big bank savings account, you're losing money to inflation. I use the platforms linked in the description, like for my HYSA and for my portfolio. It's the lowest effort way to build a foundation. The second winner, AA-powered digital assets. I used to streamline the process, and it actually scaled. Stop chasing the magic pill and start building real assets. If this experiment saved you from a scam, hit that subscribe button. Let's build your wealth the right way.